Hey there, welcome to lesson 5 and it's about theories of evolution. In this lesson, we're going to show patterns of descent with modification from common ancestors to produce the organismal diversity observed today. We will also trace the development of evolutionary thought. The genetic code is nearly universal. With some minor exceptions, all living organisms on Earth uses the same genetic code. This is an evolutionary tree. It shows that all organisms came from a common ancestor and that we evolved and diversified over time. Let's talk about Darwin and descent with modification. While Charles Darwin was generally called the father of evolution, the basic idea for this concept was actually developed by both Charles Darwin and Alfred Russel Wallace. Darwin observed that beak shape varies among finch species. In his theory of natural selection, he suggested that organisms with traits better suited to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce, passing on those advantageous traits to their offsprings. Over time, the idea that species change from natural selection pressures through descent with modification gave rise to the idea of evolution. On the other hand, Jean-Baptiste Lamarck, a French naturalist, was struck by similarities of many animals he studied, including the fossil records. It led him to his theory of acquired inheritance, which suggests that organisms acquire new characteristics due to the environmental changes during their lifetime, and this will be inherited by their offsprings. However, this theory has been largely refuted by modern genetics and evolutionary biology, as it contradicts the principles of genetics and natural selection. Are you still with me? Let's check your understanding. Which one shows natural selection? Very good. Why do you say so? That's right. The caterpillars that blend to the environment's color will not be eaten by birds and has a higher chance of survival rate compared to those who have a prominent color. These better traits will be passed on to the next generation and will go through a series of recombination over generations. These can result in significant adaptations, ultimately driving the evolution of species. That's it for today's lesson and have a great day.